the sound of battle cry, then I know my Lord is coming. Even now it may be night, and I can hear the sounds of His coming. Everywhere they're getting louder and louder each day, and will crescendo until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me away. I can hear the sound of fig leaves rust beneath the summer breeze, as I see the Lord restore Jerusalem. And I can hear a sound from heaven as a rushing mighty wind, as God pours His Spirit out upon all men. And when I hear revival sounds, not just here but everywhere, then I know it's almost over. I can feel it in the air, and I can hear the sounds of His coming. Everywhere they're getting louder and louder each day, and they'll crescendo until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me away. And they'll crescendo until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call